Hello, readers, and thank you for joining me for another spelling lesson. This week we are in Unit 1, Lesson 2, second grade, of course, and we are going to be working on another phonics pattern for our spelling. This week we are still looking at the vowels. However, we are going to be looking at the long vowel sounds. So we still know the vowels. Say their names for me. A, E, I, O, U. Guess what? You just made their sounds too. So when a vowel says its name, it's saying the long vowel sound. Last week, of course, we did the short vowels. This week, we're going to do long. So if you say the vowel's name, you are actually saying the sound. So it works really easily. We are going to use our same routine that we did. We're going to say the word. For instance, time. We're going to map the sounds. I, m. We're going to say the word again. We're going to spell it. We're going to smash it. Remember how we smashed it? T-I-M-E, time. Then we're going to write it, and we're going to mark the pattern. And we mark the pattern because all of these words, the reason they have the long vowel sound is because of a bossy E. And that bossy E is going to make the vowel say its name. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle that long vowel and underline that bossy E. Now, here's the thing. When you're mapping the sounds, that E doesn't make a sound. It's silent. But it's bossy, so it just makes that one make its own sound. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Say time. Map the sounds. T, I, m, time. Spell it. T, I, M, E, time. Write it. T, I, M, E, time. What's the long vowel sound? I, that's right. So we're going to circle that I and underline that bossy E. Very good. Our next word is lake. Can you say lake? Map the sounds. L, A, K. Lake. Spell it. L, A, K, E, lake. Write it. L, A, K, E, lake. What's the long vowel sound? A, that's right. So circle that A and underline that bossy E. When you see that bossy E, you know that vowel is going to say its name. Our next word is home. Say home. Map the sounds. O, m, home. Spell it. H, O, M, E, home. Now write it. H, O, M, E. What's the long vowel sound? O, very good. So circle that O and underline that bossy E. Our next word is game. Can you say game? Map the sounds. G, A, m, game. Spell it. G, A, M, E, game. Write it. G, A, M, E. What's the long vowel sound? A, very good again. Circle it. And don't forget to underline the bossy E. Our next word is nose. Say nose. Map the sounds. N, O, Z, nose. Spell it. N, O, S, E, nose. Write it. N, O, S, E. What's the long vowel sound? O, very good. Circle the O, and what are we going to underline? The bossy E, that's right. What's our next word? Rake. Say rake. Map the sounds. R, A, K. Rake. Spell it. R, A, K, E. Rake. Write it. R, A, K, E. What's the long vowel sound? A, that's right. Circle it. What do we underline? The bossy E, that's right. Y'all are doing great. About halfway done. Our next word is made. Say made. Map the sounds. A, D. Made. And of course, this is something when you make it, you made it. Spell it. M, A, D, E. Made. Write it. M, A, D, E. What's the long vowel sound? A, that's right. And what are we going to underline? Our bossy E. Our next word is erase. Say erase. Mark the sounds. E, A, S. Erase. Spell it. E, R, A, S, E. Erase. Write it. E, R, A, S, E. What's our long vowel sound? It actually has two, doesn't it? If you want to circle both of them, you can. I circled one on mine, the A, because it has the bossy E with it. But if you wanted to circle that E, you absolutely could, because it says its name too. Our next word is hose. Say hose. Map the sound. O, Z. Hose. Spell it. H, O, S, E. Hose. Use a watering hose to water the lawn or some flowers. Write it. H, O, S, E. What's the long vowel sound? O, that's right. Circle it. And what do we underline? The bossy E. Our next word is, this is a big word, became. Say became. Map the sounds. B, E, K, A, M. Became. Spell it. B, E, C, A, M, E. Became. Write it. B, E, C, A, M, E. What are we going to circle? That long A and underline the bossy E. And you're right. That E does make its name too. All right, last two words, our high frequency words for the week. Our first word is long. Say long. Map the sounds. L, ah, ng. Long. And if you notice, the O here is a short vowel, and ng says ng. Spell it. L, O, N, G. Long. Write it. L, O, N, G. Very good. And our last word is called. Say called. Map the sounds. K, all, d. Called. Spell it. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. And write it. C-A-L-L-E-D. Very good. Thank you for joining me for another spelling lesson. Until next time, happy reading.